Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to delve into the topic of self-care and why it's crucial for our overall well-being and happiness. Self-care is the practice of taking care of your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual health, and it's the foundation of leading a fulfilling and balanced life. In this video, I'll be providing you with 4 tips to help you prioritize self-care in your daily life, along with detailed insights on each one. Set aside dedicated time for self-care. Carving out dedicated time for self-care is crucial, as it allows you to focus on your well-being and recharge your batteries. Whether it's 20 minutes in the morning or an hour on the weekends, make sure you have dedicated time for self-care activities that bring you peace and relaxation, such as meditation, yoga, or reading a book. Having dedicated time for self-care can also help you avoid feeling overwhelmed by the demands of life and work. By taking care of yourself, you're better equipped to handle the challenges that come your way, leading to a more fulfilling and balanced life. Make a self-care plan. Planning out your self-care activities for the week can help you prioritize and stick to your self-care goals. This could include anything from a relaxing bath, a massage, or even just taking a walk in nature. Having a self-care plan can help you avoid getting caught up in the demands of life, and it ensures that you take the time to invest in yourself. It's also important to remember that self-care activities don't always have to be about relaxing and taking a break. It can also be about investing in yourself, like learning a new skill or taking a class. The goal of self-care is to enhance your well-being, so find activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Put yourself first. Self-care should never be considered selfish, it's essential. Don't put it off or neglect it in favor of other responsibilities. Instead, prioritize self-care and make it a priority in your life. Putting yourself first doesn't mean neglecting your responsibilities, but it does mean taking care of your well-being, so that you're better equipped to handle the demands of life. By prioritizing self-care, you're investing in yourself and ensuring that you lead a more fulfilling and balanced life. Make it a habit. Just like brushing your teeth or exercising, self-care should be a part of your daily routine. Make it a habit to include self-care activities in your daily activities, so that it becomes a natural part of your life. Making self-care a habit ensures that it becomes a natural and essential part of your life, rather than something that gets neglected or forgotten. By incorporating self-care activities into your daily routine, you'll start to feel more relaxed, refreshed, and recharged, leading to a more fulfilling and balanced life. In conclusion, self-care is crucial for our overall health and happiness. Prioritizing self-care and making it a habit in our daily lives can lead to a more fulfilled and balanced life. So, make self-care a priority, invest in yourself, and take care of your well-being. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips have been helpful in prioritizing self-care in your daily life. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please click on the like and consider subscribing to this channel. Until next time, take care and keep shining.